still cruising through the channel. Still cloudy, about 85 degrees. There's a boat coming in on a Friday. It's fairly quiet, nice. We like to sail when there's nobody around. Great for practicing sailing because you don't have to worry about making any mistakes. Well, actually worry about people seeing you make mistakes. And here Daisy looking at the boat.
Maria has the con. There's Lance Corporal Darst. Every Navy ship should have a Marine security detachment. Give you a little tour of our 22-foot Hunter. Go up front, you got a little V-berth. Junk compartment. Porta potty. This upholstery, I redid all this upholstery when I was restoring the boat. A 4 years ago probably. The sole needs refinished. The plywood's coming delaminated. I'll take care of that over the winter. Refinished all the wood. Looks like it's going to need some touch up. Some more of the upholstery over here. I guess you could comfortably sleep 2 people up here if they're not too big. This table comes up. Folds out on both sides. One person can sleep here on this side. It actually has a sink, some storage, and actually a stove that pops out there on the side. Never used it, but it does have it. Andrew is bored already. So out here, cockpit area. And getting out to the channel, we'll put the sails up. Oh, this is awesome. Well, we finally anchored on the south shore of Kelly's. Didn't want to do that for a while. There's our dinghy. There's a 22-foot sailboat out there. Oh, don't turn too far. You're going to jibe.
Trying to keep the wing on wing configuration.
I'd rather lose the jib than have that thing, that boom come across.
It's pretty. Take a picture of the top, the masthead top. Had a good time at Put in Bay. We had our lobster bisque. Bradley Alexander hung out the keys, and we're gonna head back. Hopefully we have good wind. Get back in plenty of time before sunset. Where'd you get that thing? That's pretty cool.
Maria, you're missing your turn. Go back to the sun.
I'm just enjoying this nice sunset sail.
Maria's taking us home, sailing through the channel. Pretty narrow channel too. Moderate boat traffic. Uh-oh, jibing. Keep it close to the side over here. Point it over here.
Oh, me right?
Yeah. Now stay over here. Don't make that turn until you put it in neutral. Okay, go ahead and put it in neutral. Neutral in the center. Okay, now swing toward the center of our dock. The center of our dock. Watch the back end. Okay, now just straighten it up a little bit because the nose is moving. Keep going to the center of it now. Straight. Go straight in now. No. Straight toward the center of the dock, I mean. Okay, now to the right. Nose to the right. Straight again. Okay, now just maintain that until we get up close enough. Okay, to the right. To the right hard right now. Okay, now straight. All right, couldn't do any better than that. Stepped right off the dock. All right, Sam, that was lesson number 4 probably?
Yep.
So what do you think? Are you comfortable jibing?
Oh
and
yeah,
tacking?
I think so. Driving, tacking, feel good.
I don't know, you guys ready to do it by yourself?
I think so.
We're
I think the
gonna
backing
find out
out's
here
the-
shortly.
I think the motor part's the most difficult part
Yeah,
for me.
motoring around the docks, that's everybody's.